darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Well, Rihanna is pregnant. Rihanna is expecting her second baby, my darlings. I am so happy for her. Congratulations, Rihanna. You deserve it. My mother also had two under two. My brother and I are apart by what, 18 months, when I tell you. It's the best thing. It's the best thing. I hope she gets a little girl just like her. I loved the halftime show. It was so, you know what I tell you? I loved that it was just her voice. We've missed you for 7 years. She had no collaborations. She did not do any wardrobe change. She just came up from the air. That's how it felt. Elevated herself down with all of these dancers in white. The choreography was sensational. And there she showed us her tummy in red. And I think for me it was kind of sort of emotional, because at the end I just saw her singing Shine Bright Like a Diamond, and she elevated. And just to see how far she's come, how much of a mom she is. I was listening to her interview that she had with Apple Music just before the show, and how she said, you know, I'm a mom now, representation is important, I am doing this for my son. And it echoed to me, because that's how I have been, as a lot of mothers out there have said. Things change when you become a mother. I loved her playlist. Her playlist was BBHMM. We had that. We had Where Have You Been, Only Girl in the World, We Found Love, Rude Boy, Work, Wild Thoughts, Pour It Up, All of the Lights, Run This Town, Umbrella, and then Diamonds. She's had some fantastic hits. And it was funny because you saw Cardi B.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Cardi B and her husband running, you know, into the auditorium for the halftime show. When I tell you, I loved that bust brace. I want to have it. I want to have it. I just did the Brit Awards review, and there was somebody who wore like a brace. I think maybe that's my thing. And so here it was just nice to see her pregnant. She looks like maybe she's 5 months pregnant, maybe 6 months pregnant, because you know you show more on the second one, because the body is like, aha, we're doing this again. Yeah, I remember. And it's good. It's good. She's young. Let her grow up with her beautiful children. I think it was also nice to say that I saw Chris Brown and he cheered her on. I don't think that we will ever forget what happened between the two of them. I don't think we will. But I do think that we have to move on. I think that we cannot constantly vilify him for something that he has apologized and apologized and apologized over for. I'm not giving excuses. I don't believe in domestic abuse in any way, shape or form. But I do believe that there comes a time when you have to move on. And she's moved on, and she's with ASAP, who ASAP'd her. Well, you know what, as soon as possible he did that. And it was really nice. It was a nice surprise. It was a wonderful platform for her to showcase her Fenty brand, because she touched up her makeup using her blotting powder, which I have. If you got oily skin, chef's kiss. It is absolutely fabulous. And she also paid homage to Andre Leon Talley. That was so thoughtful. I did not see that coming. I loved the outfit. I loved the leather, you know, because she's out there and she's in Arizona. I don't know what the weather is like, but you know, she wants to keep warm. She wants to be, you know, copacetic with the baby in there. I'm sure the baby must have said, what is going on out there? But he could hear mama singing, you know, so he's like, okay, fine, we all right. Because, you know, Adrian does that to me. He's like, where are we? Then when he sees me, he's like, okay, how long are we here for? I want to go. So I thought it was absolutely fantastic. It was a fantastic show as far as I'm concerned. I love the fact that there were no bells and whistles, that there were no collaborations, that there were no wardrobe changes. It was just music. It was just music to hear all of her old songs. She's got fabulous masterpieces up in there. I thought it was a wonderful halftime show. Rihanna, congratulations. You are living your best life, I see. And I am fine. I don't need an album. I will get an album from you when you're ready to give us an album. I am cool. No pressure. And might I add that Cheryl Lee Raff also gave us a performance. Congratulations to you, Mama. I live for you. I live for you. I live for you. I think that you're coming into your own. You're coming into your own in your 60s. And that's such inspiration for me. Because that's my next decade. That's my next decade, and I lived for it. I lived for it. I lived for it. It was a wonderful halftime show, and congratulations to the winners. Yes, congratulations to the Kansas City Chiefs who won Super Bowl. They won it, baby. They won it. Yup, yup, yup. Hello, Kansas. You did very well in Arizona. And all the celebrities were out there watching and in support and having a good time, and in support of Rihanna too. It was a wonderful time. Might I add that Babyface also sings America the Beautiful at Super Bowl. Babyface has been showing up at red carpets, at events. He has been giving it to us hot, hot, hot. This could be the second act, and sometimes careers are like that. You just have some quiet time and then you come back and you're fabulous. Yes, yes, and yes. Are we living for the top? Are we loving? Are we living? Giving you a little bit of a waistline up in here. This was gifted to me, yes, my darlings, by a wonderful designer. Let me just make sure that, because she gave me a jacket as well. I'll be right back. This is the jacket as well. And this, my darlings, is by Fumi and Coco. Fumi and Coco gave me this fabulous jacket. See, look, wait, hold on, look. I live for it. I live for it. Fumi and Coco gave me this. And so they also gave me this little number as well, which I love. And it's kind of like cinched in at the waist. Do we live? Do we love? 53. I'll take it. Not bad. And then I've got like my hair into a bun. And then I've got beautiful orangey red shadow. And this is by the beautiful Bloom palette. Let me know. Maybe I'll start doing makeup tutorials as I talk with you guys. And this is by OPV Beauty. Do we live? Do we love? And I'll put a makeup tutorial using these colors. How about that? Huh? What do you think? All right, darlings. It is what it is. Happy Monday, my darlings. Do we live? Do we love? Rihanna, congratulations again. And ASAP. Wonderful that you're expanding your family. Whether you have a boy or a girl, doesn't matter. You're going to be a family of 4. And Rihanna, do your thing. Do your thing. We loved it. I loved it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. But more importantly, let's get the conversation popping in the comment section. And you let me know what was your faves for the entire event yesterday, you know, the Super Bowl. What was it that you liked? What were the favorite songs that she sang? Did she sing your favorite song? I was waiting for her to sing Shine Bright Like a Diamond. I really was. I was like, you're not going to sing it. You're not going to sing it, Rihanna. Come on now. And it was nice that she sang it at the end. And that was it, my darling. So, see you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Mwah.